Good morning, everyone. It's me from the news channel. And I know it looks a little different today, which is basically when computers are able to mimic the human brain and do things that we do like, well, talk to you. But for the most part, AI has been relegated to the realm of science fiction. You know, those Terminator movies where the robots take over the world. That's because we're retesting out some new technology that may be coming to a home near you in the not-so-distant future. There are more people over 65 than ever before, and they need more help. It can also gauge your mood and determine if you're depressed. The robot is equipped with cameras and sensors to collect data and can interact with you naturally using AI. It even has facial recognition software. Let me know in the comments below. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Let me know in the comments below. Also, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. We're on our way to 2 million subscribers and you can help us get there. And who wouldn't want a robot to take care of them in their old age? We've heard about it for years, artificial intelligence, AI for short, but turns out AI is being developed with the best of intentions, at least here in the United States. You see, our population is aging, and believe it or not, there are already several of these robots in various stages of development. The company that makes this robot says it can perform daily tasks like making appointments, reminding you to take your medicine. She looks like a cute cartoon character and can do many of the same things as Pepper, but she's more of a listening ear than anything else. She can recognize faces and objects, understand what you're saying, and respond appropriately, which was created by a Japanese company. Both Pepper and Sophia will cost tens of thousands of dollars, not including the cost of a monthly subscription for updates and new features. Pepper has a built-in touchscreen, can move around on its own using a motorized wheelchair, and can even make small talk with you. The idea is that this robot can help seniors stay in their homes longer, maintain their independence while getting the help they need. One of the most advanced is Pepper, another is Sophia, created by a Hong Kong-based company. Both companies say their robots will be on the market in the next few years. Now, I didn't say they were cheap. Will you get one of these robots? So what do you think of the future of technology? And hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.